Gotta keep him out of there. Stay out of there. Oh, this is a freaking feast. Oh, God. Oh my God.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. For the next 2 days, we're going to be in Choctawhatchee Bay in the Florida Panhandle chasing bridge monsters. The first day was rough, and the second day started out rough. But I hung tough, persevered, and I was rewarded in the last 30 minutes of fishing with the biggest one I've ever seen in my life.
Good morning, guys. Pretty morning today. Got a little bit of rain this morning. Heavy stuff supposed to come in around lunchtime, but that gives us about a 4-hour window to get over here to the bridge and hook some bridge monsters. Keeping it simple today, just 2 rods. Got a cooler full of blue crabs, just a couple of hooks and stuff in the box. So we're just going to keep it simple, and all we're targeting is monster bridge fish today. So we're going to get over to the bridge, get rigged up, and I'll show you what we're doing. All right, let's get our first crab out. We'll start out breaking the claws off. Cut these legs off. There we go. All right, now we got 2 juicy baits. We're gonna take this guy, we're gonna go in right here, and we're gonna come out that leg hole right next to it. Just like that. All right. What I'll do, I'm gonna throw these little legs down, chum the water a little bit. Good thing about spinning gear, you can just leave that bail open until you get a bite and already have your drag tightened down. Yeah, that ought to be good. So we're going to drop them down to the bottom here. Just kind of sit right here. We get a bite. Oh, we're already getting bit. All right, let's get away from the structure. See, got it? Yep, he's already got it. Oh my God, that was insta-bite. Oh, he already had me on the piling. Crap. All right. Wow. All right. Heavier leader. Yep. I was not ready for a bite that fast. That was on me. Gosh, dog it. Okay, here we go. Something just tugged on it. Ah, he grabbed the claw. All right, let's do a claw. All right, I'm gonna try the claw. See how that works. And see what's coming. We got till about 12:30.
So I had about 5 minutes before I had to call it a day because that storm was getting really close.
No! Alright, god dang it. Are you serious? Alright.
So on my way in, the rain started hitting, but I wasn't too upset because the tide was not moving. We had no water movement, so I'm sure that's why the bite was dead today. But I was ready to go home and come back tomorrow morning with high hopes.
All right, good morning, guys. We are back. Day 2. Yesterday got rained out. The tide went completely slack. The bite died. Had the first drop curse of getting hit on the first drop. So we're back today. Reloaded with some more blue crabs. We're going to head over back to the bridge and try again. All right, looks like about 11:30, we're gonna get some weather. We'll probably just tuck in under the bridge. Try not to have a repeat first drop break off this morning. I've got 42-pound Delta braid. I got a 60-pound Delta braid fluorocarbon leader. And I got an 8/0 circle hook. So let's start on the inside here first. See what happens. All right, let's drift away a little bit. God dang, I already got 8. He got my crab. All right, here we go. All right, now we got him.
Now this fish started out on the structure on the right, and it was smart enough to swim all the way across the span and get into the pilings on the left.
Gotta keep him out of there. Stay out of there. Oh, God. If you're wondering why I'm leaving the clicker on, it's so I can loosen it to free spool when they bite it, and they can run, but my line won't backlash. Oh my God, that thing was massive.
Okay, now frustration's starting to seep in. I'd lost way too many fish the last 2 days, and it was wearing on me.
40-pound isn't enough.
So I switched to my setup with 80-pound braid and an 80-pound leader, and that way if I hooked up again, I could horse the fish more aggressively.
All right, got him, finally. All right, get him out in the open water.
So what I did was kept constant pressure on that fish while backpedaling my kayak away from the structure, not giving it a chance to turn its head and run into the bridge pilings. And then once you feel you're a safe distance from the structure, you can loosen your drag a little and play the fish a little lighter so you don't pull the hook.
Get this guy far away from the bridge. All right, let's loosen that drag up a little. Oh, it's not as big as that one I just hooked, but it's a good one. There we go. Woo. Gonna have to wear this guy out for a while. That's a pretty good one though. Perfect hook set. Got him. All right. Not the monster we're after, but it's a nice one. All right, guys. Not a monster, but it's a nice start. I'll take it. That previous one was probably at least double this size, maybe triple. So let's get him revived. That one I hooked before, way bigger. He came up to the surface. All right, he's kicking now. Let's see if he's ready. He's gone. Set up here. I got my Pin Slammer 7500 on my Chaos Fishing spinning rig. This rod is rated 20 to 40. So got a little bit overloaded with the 80-pound braid, but it holds up just fine. All right, guys, you hear that thunder? We're gonna head over here. Just beach it for a few minutes, chill out. All right, take a little break. We'll be right back.
So I let the storm pass, had a snack, then I jumped back on the kayak because we weren't going to get any more rain for a couple hours.
All right, back at it.
And my hopes were a lot higher now because we started getting some flow in the current. Water was moving, which is always a good thing.
Got him. All right. You know the drill. Get them away from the structure. And then loosen the drag a little. Oh, that's a good one. Got him. All right.
You're always worried when you hook one of these big ones that the hook's gonna pull. Around their mouths, it's very fleshy, and you can just get into like some skin and meat, and then when you have to put a lot of heat on them or they get close to the boat and start thrashing, the hook can pull or just rip out.
There he is right there. Oh, he's not that big. Keep your rod tip pointed to the front so you don't flip. If you do that, it'll just turn your kayak for you. Oh, he's a decent one. Gonna go on a little bit of a sleigh ride here. Just keep them tight. Oh, there. Let them tire out a little. You just turn them in circles. Okay, I was wrong. Maybe he is a little bit bigger. He's bigger than the last one. He's not done yet, though, I don't think. Nope. Is he done? Think he's done. Oh, he's not done. He's hooked good. No, he's about the same size as the last one. Not bad though. Might be a little longer, but he's not thicker than that last one. He's a nice little drum. Not bad. I'll take it. All right. Let's revive them. All right. You ready?
These fish have a very subtle bite. They don't slam it. They just pick up your bait and slowly swim off with it, and sometimes they even stay in the same spot and hold it. So for a split second, I thought I had a good one.
Do I have a rock?
Fortunately, it was just a chunk of the oyster bed. So it was getting late in the day, probably 30 minutes left to fish, and I was really getting worried that I wasn't gonna hook that monster. And then it happened. This fish immediately felt different. I knew it was way bigger than the others.
Come on. All right, I got him clear. Got him clear. This is a monster. Just get out. Get out away from them.
Once I got away from the bridge, I knew I was in for a long battle.
Loosen the drag up a little. All right. Let's get him way out here. All right. Loosen it up a little. Well, I thought he was bigger. Maybe he's not. Oh my God. Yeah, he is. He's bigger. Oh boy. Oh, this is a freaking feast. Oh God. Let's get him back out further. He's gonna try to get back to the bridge. Oh boy. I may want the net on this one.
I don't know what I was thinking grabbing the net, because I saw the size of that fish and the head wouldn't even barely fit in it.
Oh. Let's get him going this way. Let's get him going this way. Come on. Get him out here. Wide open water. Wide open water.
This is when you really start getting nervous. You've had constant pressure on that fish for several minutes, and you know that hook is just wallowing out the hole and pulling it looser and looser the longer you go.
Oh my God. fish grips him. Fish grips him. This is one of those monsters I've been looking for. Come on. I got him. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. He's about to flip me. Oh. 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 This is it. This is the monster I've been after for years. Get this hook out. This is it. This is what I was here came for. Oh. There ain't no long arm in that. Holy God. Oh God, don't start flopping. Don't start flopping. Oh my gosh, guys. It doesn't get any better than that. Woo! Holy cow. I'm not gonna try and revive him, pulling him. I'm afraid he could flip me. So we're gonna try and shoot him in. Yes. Woo. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't know what else to say. That was a massive, massive, massive black drum. I've never caught one that big. In fact, I've never seen one that big. I don't think I've seen bigger ones swimming around in Destin Harbor than that. So, pretty awesome day. Started out a little slow, a little rough, but hey, got the job done. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, everybody, tight lines.